Basta.
Kaya mo, Rachel.
Kaibigan, simula na ang umaga.
Simula ng saya, kaya sama ka na.
Dito lamang po sa Sport at Chris Sayawan. Good morning! Good morning mga nanay, mga tatay na kapag-guest. Good morning! On!
Oh, hot damn.
Hey!
This is my jam.
Shouting the
Keep the
guys.
party into the AM. Y'all don't understand. Make me throw my
Good
hands
morning! Good morning! PK.
Anong lutuan ninyo sa bahay? Do you use electric or do you use LPG?
Election.
Okay, so
Sa
this is for
baba
me.
is LPG. Yeah.
There are many ways for us to conserve LPG, so panoorin natin ito.
PK, bongga ka! Tip number 1, para makatipid sa LPG, sindihan lamang ang kalan kapag naihanda na ang lahat na ingredients na gagamitin. Tip number 2, hinaan ang apoy kapag kumukulo na ang niluluto. Makakatipid din kung tatakpan ang niluluto. Tip number 3, kung magpapalambot ng karne, gawin ito sa pressure cooker. Tip number 4, importante na linisin lagi ang burner. Malinis ito kapag kulay blue ang apoy na lumalabas. Pero kung orange or yellow, nangangailangan ito ng cleaning. Tip number 5, kung maaari, magsabay-sabay sa pagkain ang buong pamilya para makaiwas sa laging pag-iinit ng pagkain na nagre-resulta sa mas mataas na konsumo ng LPG. BK, bongga ka!
Oh boy, ako yung makaka-identify dito.
Practical tips.
I agree with most of it, lalo na yung when you're cooking, dapat talaga all the ingredients naka-ready na doon para
Bago bubuksan.
naka-chop, naka-ano, yes, okay, para it also saves time for the cook.
No, ako naman gusto ko yung tip na halimbawa pag nag-iiba ang kulay from blue ba to orange and
Time to
yellow,
clean.
it's time to
Correct.
clean.
And
Okay.
the last one is so important because I grew up that way. I don't know kung ganun ka din. We really had dinner together as a family, both when, in the States and with my mom.
Right.
And again, when I lived with my lola for a while, yung talagang nakaset yun na either at 6:30 or at 7 o'clock at night, sabay-sabay talaga kumakain. And somebody takes turn leading the prayers. Bago, yung parang everybody, ikaw ngayon, siya yung next, siya yung ano. And naranasan namin talaga yung bawal tumayo until everybody's finished eating.
Exactly, di ba?
We like the two of them. Kung meron
Very
tayong
much.
pamilya na type na pwede natin
Ito yun.
i-adopt din dahil magandang pagpapalaki sa kanila, silang dalawa yun, di ba?
Kasi
So they're celebrating their birthdays.
Both of them.
Yes, ang
Both of them.
cute. So ito na,
our birthday girls, mga kaibigan, Alex Gonzaga and
Tony Gonzaga.
That's why you'll never work. I'll have you suicidal. I say it's over. Damn all these beautiful girls. We're only gonna do you dirt. We'll have you suicidal. I say it's over. Yeah. I remember when I was hanging with my friends. Let's spend like months around. Thought that I was fine right then. You wish that I would be your baby. Be your baby. You try to stick the game, but the ego won't make. Saw that ice upon your chain. So I ask you to say something tells me that we'll have fun together. I ain't easy to find. I'm one of a kind. Oh, and that's just why I know that you're mine. Tonight is yours, but tomorrow's for another guy. I'm way too cool for your boy. That's why it'll never work. I'll have you suicidal. I say it's over. Damn all these beautiful girls. We're only gonna do you dirt. We'll I say, oh.